Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my third and final installment. So far, I have been with the Boveda Smart Sensor for just about over a week now, and I have no complaints. As you can see here, I'm going to launch this app. Click the Boveda app logo. It's going to launch. As you can see, I'm 70% over 67. That's the name of my humidor. I nicknamed it the Stash Box. Here's the graphic that shows you when you click on the temperature. It's going to show you both readings right there, which is kind of really neat, which I think is real cool and kind of just straight into the point. Over here, you're going to have your hourly, daily, and monthly, and it breaks it down, obviously, by what it says, hourly, daily, and monthly. And you get to see how your humidor is fluctuating. Obviously, me being here in Illinois, the weather's been kind of cold, so my regular temperature's kind of been up and down, but the Boveda packs has been keeping things consistent. So I said it's pretty much on point. Right now, we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to pop open my humidor. Show you guys, it's still sitting right center where I left it at. Nice and neat between 3 other packs. You know, I said just about under 100 cigars I got in here. So it's keeping everything nice and neat. I mean, like I showed you guys in the first video of obviously opening it up, what's in the box. I showed you the installment in the last video, and now this is my over a week review with it, and the consistency's been good. And they just pushed out an update. I guess apparently there was a couple of bugs they said they might have had. I didn't incur any that I didn't catch off the bat, but like I said, they ended up doing an update out for that too. So if this does suit you guys, right now I'm sold on it. I mean, I know I'm only a week in, but I mean, it's definitely been on point. It was way better than the one that I had in there previously, which is just a regular similar gauge that came with from HumiCare. So like I said, guys, once again, I cannot stress enough, this is a really, really, really awesome product from Boveda. They outdid themselves as always. So if this works out for you, hopefully you guys cop it, and you can see it's real simple and easy to use. All right, you guys have a good one. Take it easy.
Stop cameraing me.